It's the Bosch built-in coffee machine. It's the model code TCC78K750. It builds in a 45cm tall unit, 600 deep, so it needs to be a tower unit. This model is one of our graded items. The serial is 080272. You can key it into our website ricelipappliances.com and you'll see this graded item, normally at £1,334, is now £1,039 because it's got some slight scuffs on the front. We're going to list this model on eBay, so watch out, you might be able to pick yourself up a bargain. It's a bean to cup machine, so it's got a hopper inside it which we can't open because it's not powered up, where you fit the beans in and then you put your water in, press a button and it's one touch. You can do cappuccinos, you can do espressos, lattes, all sorts. This is the TCC78K750.